Hello friends, we have a great news for you. PayPal is hiring freshers. Now they have just listed an internship as well as a full-time opportunity on their website. So let's go through all the details of the opening that they have. So as they have mentioned here that PayPal is launching in their first ever countrywide campus challenge to hire engineering graduates, and this is for 2021 batch pass out with CGPA of 8 or above. So you have, if you are fulfilling this criteria, immediately fulfill the form. Okay, once registered, you'll receive an email with the online assessment thing. So this is an online assessment. What will happen is that once you register, you will get an online assessment test that you have to take, and all the details are discussed below. So if you are selected, you will receive an offer letter for a paid internship. You will get a paid internship, and either you can get a internship as well as a full-time opportunity job, or you'll get an internship, right? Or just a full-time opportunity for a full-time role. So it is for one of their tech centers located at Chennai, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. So these three are the locations that they have. Registrations will close on September 20th, 2020, and online assessment will be on 26th of September 2020 at 10 a.m. Okay, so remember these dates. You make sure that you fill the form as early as possible, right? Results will be announced on October 1st, 2020, and interviews will be scheduled in October of this year itself, October of 2020. Internship will be from January to June, after which will be once if you are able to convert that internship into a full-time opportunity, you'll get a joining date of in July next year. So these are the things. There are salary things that now let's discuss about the salary that you'll get. Stipend during the internship will be close to 50,000, and the CTC once you join full time, they offer generally PayPal offers 24 lakhs per annum for freshers. If you are a BTech graduate and if you are an MTech graduate, you get a 29 lakhs per annum package. So here are few FAQs that they have listed on their platform as well. Can I register if my college university does not allow for 6 month internship? See, the thing is you have to go for a full time internship only. So you can only be allowed to join if your university will allow you to join for a full time 6 month internship. So that is a compulsory thing that they have. 2020 batch people are not allowed. So you have so if you have just graduated this year, you are not allowed. Evaluation process will be through hacker rank, right? So make sure that you start practicing competitive programming as well as other challenges on hacker rank as early as possible, right? And then you'll go and then you will be called for interviews for up to 4 rounds, right? And these will be virtual interviews. If I'm selected, which location will I be joining? So you can get any of these three locations that is mentioned, and the roles that you are going to get would be either front end or back end mobile data and analytics team, right? So you can be asked to join any of the teams based on your performance as well as preferences. So PayPal will look at the preference that you give to them. Yeah. And here is the link to apply. Let's click on this and see, let's proceed with the sign up process. So click on register now, then mention your full name, mobile number, okay, then enter your email address, then your current location. In my case, it is Noida, so I'll fill this. Then you have to select you have to enter your college name. So it doesn't your college does not need to be registered with them, so that's not a problem. Undergraduate, select your degree, right? Pursue degree, in this case it can be BTech. Enter your branch. See, there's no constraint of branch in case of this PayPal internship, PayPal opportunity, so you can be from other branches as well and you can still apply. Everything will be decided based on how you perform in the hacker rank test. So current CGPA, let's say 8.5, because 8 is allowed. 8 and above are allowed only, right? And year of passing should be 2021. Press on next. Marks in your 10th, let's say 96%, and in your 12th, let's say 85%, and press on next. How did you hear about us? Let's say just enter, right? Just mention here that you heard it through amigos.app. Okay, then press on submit. Once you submit this, you won't get any mail immediately, right? So if I go and check my email immediately, you won't receive anything. But after a few days of applying, you will get an email with the link to appear for the HackerRank test. Okay, so all the best. Apply for this as soon as possible. I'm posting it right now. If possible, by 29th of August, try to apply for it. Don't wait for anything. Please don't wait at all. Okay, all the best.